If you're like me, you might want to attach a Bluetooth communicator to your helmet, but you might have the same problem as I have, in that your helmet doesn't have the cutouts to put your speakers in. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get in and cut out holes for your speakers. Let's get into it. Okay, first thing we have to do, take the liners out. So you want to pop all the liners off. They're held in by the domes. And I've done that to this helmet. The trickiest part is to measure where your ear holes are on the helmet. The best thing to do is take the liners out, put the helmet on, mark the center of your ear hole with a black marker pen, put a dot there, and now we know where the center of your insert is going to be. Okay, so I've marked them out where the centers are. I've found something that's 45 millimeters diameter, same as the speakers. So if I cut out a circle 45, they should sit pretty snug. So I'm going to center this on my dots, which are the center of my ears. Okay, we've drawn one circle. Time to do the other side. Again, I've got my my 45 mil diameter template, which just happens to be a spice shaker lid, and draw that one in. Okay, they're both done. Just going to check they're pretty well even. One looks a little bit lower than the other. Okay, so I thought about it for a while. How was I going to do the cutout? I thought about using a scalpel blade. I thought about Dremel tool. And also thought about a soldering iron, since it's only polystyrene. So I'm going to have a go with the soldering iron. And obviously a lot of synthetic in there. And I just got to be very careful and make sure that I don't burn or melt anything that shouldn't be burnt or melted. So just gotta be very careful and see how we go. Okay, so the speakers themselves are 10 millimeters thick, so I'm probably going to go down about half that for a start and see where we're at for fit. Don't want too much gap between my ear hole and the speaker, but I don't want them pushing into my brain either. Let's try and see how we go. Just do a little test one. Be very careful that you don't touch anything that you're not supposed to melt. And there we go. So it's into it. Seems to be doing the job with ease, which is good. I'm going to take it down to the level of this piece here. That looks about between 5 and 10. So I'll use that as a guide, that level of the plastic there. It's been very careful to not touch anything that's not supposed to be melted. Watch the straps. The heat on these soldering irons go way up, and I've already freaking melted a bit out of my lining on the side. So change of plan, stick my fingers in there and some paper. That way I'll burn my fingers before I burn burn the any part of the helmet that I don't want to burn. It's getting pretty close. I think I'm going to stop there and try a fit. Going to put the liner back in just for that one side and just check the fit. Okay, let's try it on for a size. Pretty good. It's not boring a hole in my brain, so it's good for depth. I'll do the other side. About halfway in. Probably a bit deeper. And she's all done, ready to receive the speakers. Check out the next video for the installation.